Supervisors expected to go before a judge with their plans for redrawing district boundaries today.
23 ABC's Emma Lockhart is in studio now with more details on what we can expect today. Emma.
Tim, Jada, this hearing comes after the Board of Supervisors held a special closed-door meeting on Monday in downtown Bakersfield. The public has not seen the proposed new lines yet. The need to redraw boundary lines comes from a federal judge in Fresno who ruled the county violated the U.S. Voting Rights Act back in 2011 when they drew district lines that essentially diluted the voting power of Latinos living in Kern County. The judge ordered the plaintiffs in the case and the county to come up with a plan to redraw the boundary lines, or the judge will do it for them. The board is expected to meet at 8:30 this morning. Tim and Jada, back to you.
Emma, thanks for that.